Okay. We are going to try to put the pizza boxes on the bridge and give them their pizza order, but apparently they don't like pepperoni on their pizza, so they keep shooting me. Jesus.
What are you even yammering on
and
about?
Welcome to our video, Forget that happened. And welcome to our video for FarCry 3. Yeah, it's for Dead Play 3 totes. Okay.
So I totally have my own game. It'd be so awesome if I did, but I don't.
It would be all melee. And I'm just gonna run away.
It would be all melee.
The objective is to... I don't even know what your game would be.
What?
I don't know what the objective of the game would be.
Kill people with melee. Durr.
Oh, that guy with armor is coming over here. I should probably drop this bomb before he gets and kills me. Okay. Okay. I just have to drop the bomb. Suicidal. Suicidal. Drop it.
Alright, let's go.
Find the detonator. Babe, don't die. Run.
Jake, he's about to come around the corner.
I got this. You're on the bridge, but it's okay. Oh God, run! Run! Run, Logan! Run off the bridge! Run! My gosh!
It's gonna blow up behind me and look all... No. That was gonna blow up behind me and look all, like, movie awesome.
I know! That was such an anticlimactic moment.
It was like running off bridge, expecting a big explosion behind you, and... Nope.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting. Dang it.
I didn't look
Wow,
cool enough.
Wow. The one time I tried
That
to be
is
cool
a hot damn.
Oh, what?
Hot damn.
That is a hot... I didn't know a hot damn was like a verb or an adjective.
Yeah, no, hot damn. Like it's a dam of... Never mind.
You're hilarious.
You're slow.
We have to keep following the captain's tracks, and the patient... Apparently...
He's behind yellow dots?
Apparently he's like an animal, and he's behind tracks when he goes everywhere, so we can track him easily. Thanks, game.
Are you stealing kills before I even get there? Yeah, you are.
Yes.
Thanks, baby.
Oh, I'm clearing out the area. I don't know what you're talking about.
Ammunition is out.
Stole my kill.
I found one.
Hey, Jake,
Hey.
guess who's using secondary weapons?
You.
Yep.
If you hadn't noticed, Logan likes to use secondary weapons, and I unbroke my thumb.
I like to use secondary weapons in melee.
Why did you go down in a bad... Oh, you're actually in a pretty good place, man. I
I was...
injected you in the butt.
Ooh.
You're just like, ooh, my goose. Now you're in a bad spot. What?
And you die. Good job, Jake. We have this epic battle explosion, and then you die.
Nope, we're done. We're done. That was FarCry 3. Everyone, the co-op sucks. Don't play it. Bye.